Hello everyone, it's Cheryl again here from Saladmaster in Perth, and I want to show you again another dish that we can cook using our limited edition 6-quart Elite Sauté as part of our complete gourmet collection. So for today, I'll be making pineapple glazed ham. So maybe you'll wonder, it's very early, it's a Christmas dish, but guess what? This will only be available until October 31. So why not host now? So come Christmas, you have a cookware ready to roast your ham. So let's start. So what we did is, this is actually a cooked ham already. So we just slice diagonally, insert some cloves, and of course put the pineapple there and the cherries. And now we preheated the cookware. Time to put our ham. Let's do the water test. Our cookware is ready. Time to... And as you know, the lid will not fit, but if you want bigger capacity, you can have your 11-inch skillet as your dome lid. So more room for you. And you can cook something else on the top as well. Stack cooking. And that's the beauty of this gourmet 6-quart Elite Sauté. Okay, so it's on medium heat and you just have to leave it here for about 35 minutes. And if you see the water bubbles on the side, that is similar to our vapor valves. You just have to turn it down to low. So while waiting for our ham, let's cook our glaze using our 1-quart roaster. So for the ingredients, you just have to mix everything together, which is half a cup of the juice of the pineapple and cherries. It's actually here, so I'll just put it in our 1-quart. We got 1 tablespoon of mustard, about half a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a cup of brown sugar, about a tablespoon of corn flour. So we'll just mix everything together and then we will wait till the corn flour is dissolved and thickens before we turn the heat on. Corn flour is dissolved. We can now turn the heat to medium. And we will cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Medium click low. Okay, so now our glaze is clicking, so we will turn it off. And I want to show you a feature of this cookware. Stack cooking. So you save a lot of energy because we're only using 1 stove, but we're cooking 2 things. That's it. We'll just leave it there for about 5 minutes more. And then we will spread on top of the ham. Okay, so in the middle of the cooking, we added more corn flour. So this is how it works. You just get cold water, put a little bit of corn flour, mix it there before you put it here. So it's just gonna be a bit thicker. And so this is what it looks like. And time to brush it over to our ham. Ta-da! Brush our glaze. Okay, as you know, Saladmaster is using moist heat, so it won't get brown or like a crispy outside. So what we're gonna do is, as you know, Saladmaster cookwares are oven safe, so we'll put it in the oven for about 10 minutes so it will create that brownish color on the outside. Okay, now it's time to cook the gravy for the ham. And what we did, we just basically removed the excess juice while we're cooking the ham. And this is what we gathered a while ago. And so we're using our 1-quart roaster. Just heat up the cookware. And when it's ready, just put the onions. About half of the medium-sized onion. I'll cover it for 1 minute to make it a bit translucent. Now our onion is ready. Let's put the juice from our ham, a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then we'll be cooking it for about 10 minutes. And we'll add half of this whipping cream. Okay, so just want to show you, we actually removed the 6-quart elite from our oven, and this is what happened. And now our sauce, our gravy, it's time to put the whipping cream. Only half of this, about 125 grams, just to thicken the sauce. And then cook for another 5 minutes. That's our gravy for our ham. And there you go, our pineapple glazed ham with gravy. And yeah, ready for the festive season. And what are you waiting for? Until October 31 only. Available for a limited time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye for now.